What's also interesting is next month in September, Hawaii is hosting the Digital Government Summit utilizing AI to govern the island. It's almost like they're resetting something to start rebuilding for this in which they're trying to push. Now, when we look at all the climate change narrative that they're going to try to push, but they're not going to talk about the Weather Modification Act of 1976. I highly recommend everybody look into this act, because who is involved in the weather modification activities? Department of Agriculture, Department of Defense, Department of Interior, EPA, and NASA. So if they're modifying the weather, then could they have caused this event?
When I see such profound displays of stupidity, I don't know what to say or do. Like, I love watching insanity like this, but a part of my brain is always like thinking about the Alex Jones equation. What I enjoy for consumption as an insane conspiracy theory, I know there are other motherfuckers out there who believe, and they move further and further away from the truth. It was the capital of the old Hawaiian Empire, and apparently the land there is highly sought